Oh, that's bomb.
I had a sneezing fit.
Yeah, sneezing fit. This is fucking awesome. Welcome to another episode of. Hey, check out these wieners.
Vina.
Wiener from fucking Malibu. Hit her with the fucking peach, bro. Bless you. God damn it.
Tried so hard.
Jesus Christ, just fires them like a howitzer. And some fucking pineapple juice. And then it gets a teeny bit of blood. Elsa's dingleberries. Pour that in there. The fucking albino. Let's see how much I can actually keep, because this is fucking hilarious. The fucking... Okay, we're good. Fucking albino gorilla finger. Are you about through? Are you good?